Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to do exchange in Shopify. So simply what you have got to know that if in case you want to do an exchange, first of all you have to complete the orders. So if you have one orders or multiple orders, you can easily do an exchange. So simply in my case I don't have any order yet. So if you don't have any order you cannot do exchange. So let's see the go to help center and we will find how to do an exchange. So finally here is the procedure. If you have any order available, you have to select the order and tap on exchange button. So then click on next. Returned items are added to inventory of the assigned location for your post device. So after that you have to mark item as unfulfilled to note that the item needs to be sent to the customer at a later date. A new order is created on the item. So in case if you have any payment available, you can refund or collect, else you have to tap on exchange, and in this way you can easily do exchange on Shopify.